Bonjour, mesdames et messieurs. In this video, I want to show you how I retouched my 4 best photos from Iceland. I just came back from Iceland and I loved it in about 5 minutes. It's such an incredible place. I had no idea it was so beautiful. You know, you have to know what you're doing with your camera, but you can get some amazing photography. And I have a workflow that I want to share with you where in about 5 minutes, I'm going to retouch the 4 best photos that I got from Iceland. And because I just passed 100,000 followers on Instagram, I'm giving you a free bonus at the end. I'm going to show you how I retouched my most photo liked ever for the 7 years I've been on Instagram. And I'll show you the whole behind the scene and how I retouched it at the end of the video. So stay until the end. Let's go to Iceland. All right, mesdames et messieurs, so this is my best photos that I got from Iceland. I was there a couple of weeks ago. Before we get started, you need to install my free fine art presets. If you click the link that's under the video, you're gonna come to this page once you put in your email address, and you can get the Lightroom CC Classic version for anybody who's a subscriber to Adobe, or I've even made a Lightroom 5 and 6 version for people who are not a part of the Creative Cloud. They are not paying every month's Lightroom and Photoshop. There is even a download guide, and there is even inspiration videos. So once you've downloaded it, all you have to do is very easy if you are a Lightroom Classic subscriber member, because all you have to do is click import, and I've downloaded it on my desktop, and you double click and you are done, it's installed. If you're a Lightroom 5 user, check out the download guide. It's a little more complex, but it just takes a minute. Once you download the free preset, I'll give you the opportunity to buy all my presets, 280 presets at an incredible price. This is a photo that I shot on Diamond Beach in Iceland, incredible places. So the way my preset works is you just go over the preset. So this is a sunset, this is the golden hour, this is the blue hour, ooh. And then you have black and white and you have basic preset. On this one, I'm gonna use the blue hour. Now, when you use a preset, it's just a starting point. So the first thing that I usually do is I check my black point. So I hold down the option key and I check my black point. That's a little much. I wanna have about that much of pure black. Black point means what you see in magenta is pure black, okay? And then I wanna get a white point. Okay, that's too much, so I'm gonna back it down. Okay, cool, so now I'm gonna add my contrast, which is gonna crush a black and white point, but that's fine. That's my workflow. And I find the photo is too blue, so don't get stuck with the suggested white balance. You can move it around. I'm gonna add a lot of warms. I'm gonna add a lot of magenta and maybe a bit more contrast, yes. And then just to finish up the photo, I think I'm just gonna use a little brush. I'm gonna add a bit of exposure. I'm gonna add flow and density in the 70. And I just wanna make this, so this is called this is called wave painting. I was basically between 1 and 2 seconds of exposure, so I get a nice flow from the wave. I just passed 100,000 followers on Instagram, and this photos from Iceland really gave me a good boost. Took me almost 5 years to pass 100,000 followers. And my secret is really being my presets, the full pack of preset. But voila, and I think I'm just gonna make the horizon straight, and we are basically done with this photo. Still maybe a little too blue. Okay, maybe, oh, I forgot one little dust here. Yeah, don't change your lens on the beach. And yeah, I'm just gonna make it even more yellow, just like this. So this is where we came from, and this is where we are. I'm giving you the free preset. I forgot a few spots, but that's okay, you get the idea. Next photo is again from Diamond Beach. I really like this one, so let's see here. On this one, if I take the blue hour, it's too blue. So I'm gonna go on sunset. Yes, sunset preset is good. I'm gonna check, I mean, when you click one of my preset, you got 27 slider done. Your sharpening is done. There's so much thing which is done. So same thing, I'm holding the option key to make my black point. I'm gonna make my white point, add a bit of contrast. I think I'm gonna make it even warmer. That's crazy. And even more magenta. Maybe add a little bit of clarity on this one, just a little tad. And then let's make it straight. The horizon is really crooked on this one. Let's make it straight, something like that. Good. And again, I really want to enhance the little flow of the water. So I've same settings as before, a bit of exposure. I'm trying to go fast because I'm trying to do all photos in just a few minutes. And by the way, as I told you in the beginning, at the end, I'm going to show you my most liked photo ever on Instagram and the full retouching in this one. If you stay until the end, you will see it's crazy. It's just my most liked photo of all time. It's a little bonus for having reached 100,000 followers on Instagram that I'm giving you. Okay, I like it. Check this out. This is the before, and this is the final result. I love Iceland. Okay, next we're gonna go in the crazy world of black and white. I shot this on a long exposure with Daniel Cordan. He's got 1.3 million followers on Instagram. Crazy guy, amazing guy. I'm gonna use my black and white preset on this one. So I got black and white 1, 2, and 3. 3 is the most complex one. So I'm gonna use 3, and then I'm gonna do my black point. I'm gonna do my white point. And I am going to, maybe boost the white even more. And you see this black and white preset has natural dodging. So I'm just gonna put this in some parts of the waterfall to make it more interesting. I love a good black and white when you don't have so much nice colors. So check this out. This is the before, and using my black and white preset, this is where we are. This one did really good on Instagram also. Next is this one. This one is amazing. This place, I can't even pronounce the name, but it's one of the nicest places I've been to. On this one, I'm just going to use my basic preset, which is going to look whatever at first. But as soon as you add a bit of contrast and you do your black point and your white point, and I'm going to add even more contrast. I'm going to clean up the photo a little bit. And voila, boom, boom. And on this one, I'm actually going to use the vibrance and go the other way and maybe even make it a bit darker. I want to get like a gritty feeling to the photo, something like this, okay? I mean, you got to try out my presets. If you get the full set, there is 280 presets. You are going to be for a treat. Okay, I think I'm going to add even more contrast, a little bit of texture and clarity. I want this to really pop, and I lower the exposure, a bit of white. Yeah, that's what I like. And maybe just even less vibrant. So this was the before, and this is the final result. So the last photo I'm going to show you. So if you get my full pack of preset, this is just a part of it. 200, you're getting like all the blue hour preset and all the golden hour preset. It's all included. So on this one, I think I used one of the golden hour preset. I don't know which one, basic. So this is my most liked photo of all time. I just wanted to show that to you as a bonus for reaching 100,000 subscribers on Instagram. Yeah, I think I use this one, golden hour dark. Yeah, and same thing. I'm going to check my black point a little much. I'm going to do my white point. On this one, what I did is I'm going to make it a bit more. I made it really moody with a very dark contrast. So if you use my golden hour preset, if you click on a circle, you have a circle that you have to move around. And actually, the sun was there, so I'm going to keep it there. I'm going to take that spot out here, boom, and I'm going to crop it Instagram style. So I'm going to take the cropping. So that's very important, guys. It's a really good trick. I once was coached by somebody who has over 300,000 followers on Instagram, and he told me, you're posting too much photos like in 4:3 or 16:9. You need to go 4:5 Instagram version. So what he means is you go here, you go 4:5. Okay, at first it's the wrong 4:5, so you press X, so you get the vertical one, the portrait mode one, and boom. So I think I did that. Also, what I did is when you use one of my presets, you have gradients here. So especially on this full version, so I take the gradient and I'm going to make it a little stronger and maybe a little bluer, just like that. And so I've overdone it now. I've darkened the top of this, so I'm going to go in the range mask off, luminance, and I'm just going to move this a little bit to the right. And you see it's going to relight the building a little bit. Okay, so what I did is I was very lazy, but it still was the most liked photo ever on my Instagram. So I'm just going to clean up in Photoshop. I'm going to right-click, edit into Photoshop. I am in Photoshop. Oh, I just want to clean up this and this really fast. So I did it a very lazy style. So I'm going to duplicate the basic layer and I'm going to go here and I use the spot hitting brush tool. On Photoshop, all you have to do to make a tool bigger is you hold on the Control and Alt key and you move left or right. I make it a bit bigger and I'm just going to brush this out and I'm going to brush this out. Okay, and if it does something weird, you just brush a second time. And what you can do is take the stem tool, which is here, stem tool, and you can go in there and I can use the Option key to stamp this here because it sort of took things out. And honestly, I left it like this, the way I posted on Instagram. I didn't clean that up more because it was like, you know, it's on small. If I were to do a print, I would really spend hours cleaning that up. but this was good enough for Instagram because people are watching like this, and it still got me like over 5,500 likes, which is my world record. Or here, well, it's okay. This is so much used, it's fine. And if you think my preset only works on my photography, this is not the case. I have a private group called the Photo Search Academy, which is a private group with 11,441 members, where I retouch every Wednesday morning my students' photos, and I use my preset all the time to be able to go fast. So if you like this video, please smash that like button and get the preset. You will love them. Go out there, take some beautiful photos, give them a try, give them a chance, follow my inspiration tutorials, and I hope it really helps you like it has helped me. Thank you so much.